How to install Hangouts on iPad. Message contacts, start free video or voice calls, and hop on a conversation with one person or a group. Include all your contacts with group chats for up to 150 people. Let's install the app. First, we need to go to App Store, so open App Store. Tap on the search. On the search above, write Hangouts. After you have found the app, just tap on Get and wait. You have now installed the Hangouts app on your iPad device. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Tap on Get Started. If you are connected with an account from Google, select the one you wish to use and tap Done. Now tap on OK. Tap Allow for Hangouts to send you notification. Now let's talk about the option we have directly on the first screen. On the bottom right, you have a plus sign that will allow you to start a new chat or a call. If you tap on a new conversation, you will be able to start a chat with somebody. You will be able here to start also a new group conversation. Also, you have the Contacts button, Favorite button, Chat button, and Calls button. If you tap on Contacts, you might get a notification like this. If you wish to allow Hangouts to access your contacts, tap OK. If not, tap Don't Allow. Your choice. If you tap on the menu from the top left, you will see more options. First, you will be able to change between accounts by tapping that profile icon. Status will allow you to set up a status for yourself. Snooze notification will allow you to disable notification for some time. Invites will allow you to see the pending chats and accept or ignore the ones you wish. On settings, we have stuff for notification and also info about access that we give to the app. Also, here you will find the list of archived conversation and blocked people. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.